Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to directly edit an image within Dropbox using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Dropbox, and an image that was uploaded to Dropbox. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Now let's go to Dropbox. Click on this, go to dropbox.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to account, go to my Dropbox. And then make sure that you do have an image that was uploaded to Dropbox cloud storage. Now let's go to create, then go to edit, within modify, and then an image. This should take you to all the images that we have uploaded. Let's just go to the one that's suggested, the YouTube icon. Click on this and then now select choose. This will allow us to modify the image to a very normal standard, not like Photoshop or whatever photo editing software that you use to extensively edit the image. With this image, we can rotate left, rotate right again. Let's rotate this to its original self and then flip the image. We can also crop if we need to. Let's now crop everything and leave the V. If I were to, let's just say, click on save, this will then have that save to what we have cropped it at. If we're now wondering how to go back to the original self, there's no way that we can do this on screen. We would then have to undo or Command Z to take it back to its original self. We can also, if we need to, crop, change the format, ratios, the width and height. Let's now click on cancel. We can also adjust the brightness of the image itself if we need to. Let's just revert that to its original. Change that to 0. We can change the contrast, highlight, the shadow, exposure, saturation, and the temperature if we need to. However, let's now revert everything back to its original self. We can now click on cancel. If we need to, we can then start to create copies and rename, save as, or download the changed version if we have to. So we can now click on X. This takes us back to the Dropbox. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.